Technology Group Company Limited, formerly Nantong Square Freezing and Heating Mechanical Equipment Company Limited, is a listed company in Shanghai Stock Exchange. The company has been manufacturing freezing systems for over 30 years and is the famous freezer manufacturer in China. Our manufacturing facility is located in Nantong, China, with some 1,800 employees and 64 hectares land. We serve a wide range of food processing industries and can draw from our extensive experience to provide our customers the best value and ensure maximum profitability. The product line includes double spiral freezer, single spiral freezer, self-stacking spiral freezer, fluidized bed freezer, impingement tunnel freezer, plate freezer, continuous proffer, continuous oven, carton freezer, spiral cooker, refrigeration system, air cooler, evaporator, condenser, insulation system of cold storage, and other food processing equipment. Square Technology continuously invests heavily in product development and innovation to exceed our clients' expectation. The company owns 150 patents and is honored to draft a China national standard of spiral freezer and plate freezer. Our products meet the international standards and hold the certificates including ASME, ASM EU1, ASM EU2, CE/PED, well received by the international clients. The products have been exported to over 80 countries, United States, Europe, Africa, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. That is to say, Square freezing equipment has widespread freshness to human lives. Square Technology, your on-stop freezing equipment solution provider.